Hello everyone, Hare Krishna. Can you hear me? Can you hear me properly? Is everybody joined? Give me a thumbs up. Tell me something in the comments if you can hear me. And now I think you can see me also. Yes, can you see me? Hi everyone, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Can you see me? Wonderful. So how are you people doing? How is the lockdown going? Is it nice? Is it yes? Yes. Hi Gaurangi. Hi. Hello. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol everyone. So tell me, how is the lockdown going? How is the lockdown keeping you all? Kya ho raha hai ghar pe? How is it happening? Okay, someone says boring. Okay, Srirang said boring. Okay. So in the next 1 hour, we'll try to make it interesting for you people as much as possible. So firstly, a very happy Ram Navami to all of you people. A very happy Ram Navami. And in the next 1 hour, we have many things planned for you people. Many things are going to happen. So are we people excited? Come on, show me some excitement. Tell me in the comments, I am excited. Tell me. Type in the comments, I am excited right now. Go type it. Otherwise, we won't move ahead. Yes, Srirang said, I'm excited. Everybody, I want that excitement to come in. Yes, everyone excited? I am excited. Okay, great. So this is how it is going to be. Everybody know about Lord Ram and Ramayan. We all know, right? So we have something very interesting for you people. We have a puppet show and we have a dance to explain the Ramayan to you people and to make Ramayan very interesting and very catchy and very exciting for you people. So tell me, what do you want? You want a puppet show or you want a dance? What do you want? Tell me in the comments. If you want this to move, we'll have to type many things in the comments. Okay, so tell me in the comments, what do you want? Puppet show? Okay, someone says everything. Okay, yes, you will get everything. Puppet show, puppet show, puppet show. Okay, fine. So we will go ahead with the puppet show. It's a very exciting puppet show. You will get to learn about Ramayan and many things about Lord Ram and what happened with him with the puppet show. Everyone excited? Excited? Okay, great. Let's start with the puppet show then. and I will share my screen. Yes, can everybody see my screen? Give me a thumbs up. Can everybody listen to this?
The Diwali festivities.
Are you able to hear it?
Diwali,
Yes, yes, sir.
Diwali is celebrated to mark Lord Ram's victory over Ravana. But what is the lore behind this victory of light over darkness? Come, let us explore this greatest of great epic through the magical world of shadow puppets. Long, long ago, in Ayodhya, there lived a king called Dashratha with his 3 queens, Kaushalya, Kekai, Sumitra, and 4 children, Rama, the eldest and the most loved son, Bharata, Lakshmana, and Shatrugana. In another kingdom called Mithila lived King Janak with his beautiful daughter Sita. When Ram and Lakshman grew up, King Dashratha sent them to sage Vishwamitra to learn the art of using a bow and arrow. As the years went by, Sita attained a marriageable age. King Janaka wanted to get her married to the most powerful king in all the kingdoms. King Janaka got his only daughter Sita married to the powerful Rama. Soon after, Dashratha decided to name Rama as the new king of Ayodhya. But Queen Kekai got influenced by her evil maidservant Mantra. Don't be a fool, madam. Rama is not your son. Don't let him become the king. Your son Bharata deserves to be the king of Ayodhya. Oh, don't you remember the promise that Lord Dashratha made to you years back? It's time to ask for that favor. Queen Kekai, influenced by her evil maidservant Manthara, demanded that Ram be exiled for 14 years. The king felt helpless and agreed to her demands. Rama happily obeyed to the demands of his father and started his journey to the Panchavati forest. Rama was accompanied by Sita and devoted brother Lakshmana. They reached the Panchavati forest and started living in a hut. Surpanakha, the evil sister of mighty Emperor Ravana, was mesmerized by the beauty of the 2 brothers. She fell in love with them. She wanted them at any cost and tried to kill Sita. I don't like her. I want Ram and Lakshmana at any cost. I have to get her killed. But as soon as she tried to get to Sita, Lakshmana cut off her nose and ears. When the news reached Ravana, he was furious. How dare they? How could someone dare to hurt my sister? They will have to pay for their sins. He decided to kidnap Sita and take revenge. Ravana took the help of his friend, the demon Maricha. Maricha turned himself into a golden deer and roamed about the Panchavati forest to lure Sita. As Sita was lured by the beauty of the beautiful deer and requested Ram to bring it for her, Rama, being a loving husband, went inside the forest to look for the golden deer. While Lakshmana was guarding Sita, he heard Rama's cries from within the forest. Help, help! Somebody help me, please. But before setting out, he drew a magical boundary around the cottage to protect Sita. With Sita alone, Ravana could now carry out his wicked plan. He saw Sita and thought to himself, nobody can save her from me now. I am going to take her with me. He disguised himself as a sage and headed towards the cottage. He begged Sita for food and water. Please give me some food and water. I am a hungry sage. I will die. Give me some food and water, Mate. Sita took kindly to the sage and offered him food. But as soon as she stepped out of the magical boundary, Ravana changed to his form and became the demon king once again. He dragged her into his flying chariot and took her away. Sita cried and screamed, help, help me, somebody help me please. Sita cried and screamed, and her screams were heard by the vulture god Jatayu, who tried to fight off Ravana. But alas, Jatayu couldn't stop her and was fatally wounded. In the meantime, Ram and Lakshmana were looking for Sita everywhere in the forest. Sita, Sita, where are you, Sita? While looking for Sita in the forest, they met the fatally wounded Jatayu, who told them that Sita was abducted by Ravana. He took her to Lanka. After further walking in the forest, they met the monkey god, Hanuman. Jai Siya Ram. Ram told Hanuman that Sita had been kidnapped by Ravana, and he had taken her to Lanka. Hanuman offered to help. Don't worry, my lord. I will find Ma Sita and convey your message to her. And he assumed a gigantic form. After looking for Sita for so many days, he flew over the ocean and reached Ashok Vatika, where Sita had been held captive. He tried to comfort her and gave her Ram's ring and told her, "Don't worry, Ma Sita. Lord Rama is on his way to protect you. He will come and save you soon." He also wreaked havoc in Lanka, but was captured and produced before the demon king. And angry Ravana decided to teach him a lesson. He set Hanuman's tail on fire, and the monkey god managed to leap from one roof to the other, setting the entire kingdom ablaze. Meanwhile, Ram had newly reached Lanka. Only the ocean lay in front of him. The monkey army laid pebbles and stones to construct a bridge for him. Rama crossed over and met Ravana's brother, Vibhishan. Vibhishan offered to help Rama's army. A fierce battle took place, which lasted for days. And at one time during the battle, Lakshmana got seriously injured and lay dying. Only a rare herb called Sanjeevani Booty could save his life. Hanuman set off to get the Sanjeevani Booty for him. The rare herb was only to be found on the Kailash mountain peak. Unable to find the herb, Hanuman lifted an entire mountain and brought it back to save Lakshmana's life. Good finally triumphed over evil when Rama killed Ravana at his navel. Ram and Sita were finally reunited. Ram, Lakshman, and Sita returned home, and Ram was made the new king of Ayodhya. The entire kingdom celebrated their homecoming by lighting earthen lamps and bursting crackers. Every year, this day is celebrated as Diwali, the festival of lights, in celebration of Ram and Sita's homecoming.
Yes. So how did you find it? How was it? Tell me in the comments. Was it exciting? Can we have a big round of applause for this one? Was it nice? Tell me in the comments, how was this? How was this puppet show? Did everybody enjoy it? Everybody liked it? Very interesting. Yes, amazing. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm so happy that you people are liking it. I'm very happy. I'm very excited. And now we are just getting started. Huh? This was just the start of this. And we still have many, many, many more things to come. Okay, so now how many of us wants to see a dance? Everybody wants to see a dance now? Yes? Yes. Raise your hands. Tell me in the comments. Everybody wants to see a dance? Okay. So now we also have a dance program for you people from Miss Satakshi Goyal. Anybody knows her? So Satakshi Goyal is an Odissi dancer and she's been doing this for many, many years. And she's also on board with us at our Govardhan Eco Village. Many of you have also done a short course with her on dance. And she has a beautiful, very beautiful performance ready for all of you people. Yes, kids? Is everybody ready? Yes? Should I go ahead? Okay, no. This is not that exciting. Tell me in the comments, kids. Tell us, give me some excitement. Yes, yes, that's right, kids. That's right. Okay, so now we will go ahead with the dance performance. Shall we move ahead? Perfect. Let's start with the dance performance now. Just give me a minute.
Many many years ago,
Yes, can everybody see my screen? Just give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen. Yes?
Yes.
All right, I'll start it. Can everybody
many
listen also?
years
Kids,
ago,
can you listen to it?
in the age of Treta, there was an illustrious sage, Valmiki Muni, who perfected his life by chanting the names of Lord Ram. He gave up his sinful life of a hunter, being forgiven and mercifully inspired by the great sage Narada Muni. The illustrious Valmiki Muni, in all humility and without any preconceived notions, revealed his yearning search for a true hero to his teacher, Narada Muni.
O best among the sages, is there a personality who is grateful, truthful, determined, courageous, and also compassionate? I wish to worship that person.
Just as vigorously churning a rod dipped into the core of curd whips cream to the top, Valmiki's mere questioning created waves of ecstasy in the transcendental body of Shri Narada, and swiveled the name of Lord Ram to his lips. Ram, Ram, Ram.
Oh, Valmiki, the qualities you have inquired about are rare and not easily found in a single person. The one who possesses all these qualities is none other than Lord Rama. O most fortunate one, please now hear from me divine narration of the supreme qualities of Lord Rama.
On the moon of Navami, the ninth day in the bright night of the waxing moon, in the month of Chaitra, under the star Narvasi, when all the auspicious planets were in constellation, Kaushalya Devi gave birth to this divine child, who would go on to become the supremely ever fresh hero for all men to come.
Arrange for festivities, open the treasuries, and give everyone as much as they want. Free all the prisoners, distribute unlimited wealth among the brahmanas, decorate every temple in Ayodhya.
This boy shall be known as Rama, or one who gives pleasure to all.
The four sons of Dasarath became the joy of the city. Ayodhya was in love with them. The tinkling bells on their lotus feet was music to Dasarath's ears. The chords of devotion towards these children tugged at the heartstrings of Ayodhya's ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र आजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र आजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र आजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र किलकी उठत धाय किलकी उठत धाय गिरत भूमि लट पटाय गिरत भूमि लट पटाय धाय मात गोद लेत दशरथ की रमिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र आजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र अंचल रज अंग झारी अंचल रज अंग झारी विविध भाति सोदुलारी विविध भाति सोदुलारी तन मन धन वारी वारी तन मन धन वारी तन मन धन वारी वारी कहत मृदु बचनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र भाजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र विद्रुम से अरुण अधर विद्रुम से अरुण अधर बोलत मुख मधुर मधुर बोलत मुख मधुर मधुर सुभग नासिका में चारों लटकत लटकनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र भाजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र तुलसीदास अति आनंद तुलसीदास अति आनंद देख के मुखारविंद देख के मुखारविंद छवि बनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र बाजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र बाजत पैजनिया ठुमक चलत ठुमक चलत ठुमक चलत रामचंद्र
Yes. Can we have a big round of applause for that, everyone? Was that a great dance performance? Yes. Did you all like it? Perfect. So now, everybody, kids, it's 12 o'clock. And as we know, Lord Ram arrives in this world. His birth was done as at 12 o'clock. Everybody knows it. So let us all wish Lord Ram a very happy birthday. And are you excited for the Abhishek of Lord Ram? Yes, it's 12 o'clock. You know, when it's our birthday, we cut a cake and we celebrate with all our friends. So now we all are Lord Ram's friends and we are celebrating with him now with the Abhishek. Okay, so when we do the Abhishek, what exactly do we use? Any idea? Like when we bathe, what do we use? Any idea? Tell me in the comments, what do you use? So when, okay, water, milk, okay, what else? Tell me in the comments quickly. What do we use when we do the Abhishek? Honey, okay, yes, honey also. Ghee, okay. Okay. Fine, perfect. So are we ready for the Abhishek? Everybody's ready for the Abhishek? Wonderful. So, okay, let us all wish Lord Ram a very happy birthday now and let us welcome him with an Abhishek. Yes, just a minute. Yes, can you all see my screen, kids? Can you see it? Give me a thumbs up if you can see it. Yes, perfect. Can you all hear it also?
Ramachandra Raghuveera Ramachandra Rana Veera Ramachandra Raghuveera Ramachandra Rana Veera Ramachandra Raghuveera Ramachandra Rana Ramachandra Raghuveera Ramachandra Ramachandra Raghuveera Ramachandra Veera Ramachandra Raghuveera Ramachandra Veera
Yes, kids. So, shall we say, Siyavar Ramchandra ki Jai. Type it in the comments, Siyavar Ramchandra ki Jai, everyone. Yes, Siyavar Ramchandra ki Jai. Great. So, is everybody having a good time, kids? How was the Abhishek? How was the puppet show? How was the dance show? Tell me, how was it? Did everybody enjoy it? Yes? Awesome. Okay, awesome. Yes, come on, show some excitement, kids. Tell me in the comments, how was it? I feel I'm talking to myself. Come on. I want everybody to participate. Tell me. It was great, awesome, amazing. Okay, wonderful. So now we have a few more things also for you people. So how many of us wants to see a dance and a drama really quick? Everyone wants to see dance and drama? Yes? Everybody wants to see it? Okay. So now quickly we'll have a dance, we'll have a drama, and then we will move to something very interesting which all of you people enjoy. Okay? So let's move to the dance and drama kids. Just 1 minute. Okay, before the dance and drama, let me ask you people, when it's your birthday, what exactly do you people do on your birthday? Do you dance with your friends? Do you participate in quizzes? Do you have fun? Do you listen to music? You eat sweets, everything? What exactly do we do on birthdays? Right? We dance, we participate, correct? Okay, so now for some time, we will be participating in some dance kirtan. Will everybody be interested in a dance kirtan? Yes? Okay. So we'll start with the dance kirtan just to welcome Lord Ram. Now Lord Ram has come. He also wants to dance with you people. He also wants to enjoy this morning with all of you beautiful kids. So let's get started with a quick dance kirtan, everyone. Yes, kids. Everybody's interested. No, tell me in the comments. Keep typing in the comments. I feel I'm talking to myself over here. You have to type. You have to participate with me. Okay? Interested? Yes. Yes. That's like good children. Okay. Can everybody see my screen? Yes. Now I want all of us to sing and dance as I play it. Okay? I want everybody to sing. Will everybody sing? Give me a thumbs up. Yes. Yes.
राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम,
राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम।
Okay, wonderful. So just one final thing, everybody. We have this wonderful dance drama for you people. So now it's all about dancing that Lord Ram has finally come to this earth to bless us all.
वनवास पाया, माता पिता का वचन निभाया, धोखे से हर ली रावण ने सीता, रावण को मारा, लंका को जीता, रावण को मारा, लंका को जीता, शीश झुकाओ राम गुण गाओ, शीश झुकाओ राम गुण गाओ, बोलो जय विष्णु के अवतारी, बोलो जय विष्णु के अवतारी, राम जी की निकली सवारी, राम जी की लीला है नारी, राम जी की निकली सवारी।
सीता बीच में जगत के पालनहारी राम जी की निकली सवारी राम जी की लीला है न्यारी राम जी की निकली सवारी राम जी की लीला है न्यारी शीश झुकाओ राम गुण गाओ शीश झुकाओ राम गुण गाओ बोलो जय विष्णु के अवतारी बोलो जय विष्णु के अवतारी राम जी की निकली सवारी राम जी की लीला है न्यारी राम जी की निकली सवारी राम जी की लीला है न्यारी एक तरफ लक्ष्मण एक तरफ सीता एक तरफ लक्ष्मण एक तरफ सीता बीच में जगत के पालनहारी राम जी की निकली सवारी राम जी की लीला है न्यारी राम जी की निकली सवारी राम जी की लीला है न्यारी
Yes, a big round of applause, everyone. Did you enjoy it? Did you like it? Come on, everybody should clap. Everybody, a big round of applause. And also a big round of applause for Rakshita, Rita, and Radha, because they were doing some amazing dance performance by themselves. A wonderful dance performance to all these three. Amazing. Please clap for these three people. Yes, kids. Yes, that's right. That's right. You know, they were really good dancers. And I was seeing the dance on the screen also, and I was seeing the dance of Rakshita, Rita, and Radha also. I mean, they were such great dancers. I mean, I wish we were together in person and we could see them dance in front of us. But it's okay. So now let's move ahead. Now we have something that is interesting for everybody. I mean, everybody is interested for this. Everybody likes this. Everybody likes the questions, and everybody loves participating in this one thing. What is this? Tell me in the comments. Tell me. Yes, come on, tell me. What is this? Everybody tell me. Only 2-3 people are answering. I want everybody to answer. What is this? Kahoot. Yes, it's the Kahoot quiz. Everybody's interested, right? Everybody wants to participate. Everybody's excited for this. Yes. Yes. Okay. I can see the happy faces. Everybody's smiling so much. Kahoot quiz. So now we have Gopal Leela Prabhuji, who will be asking you some really nice questions and will keep you all entertained, and everybody has to give the right answers. I'm observing everyone. Everybody has to answer correctly. Okay. Gopal Leela Prabhuji has some really nice questions and a really nice quiz ready for you people. So, okay, kids, I'll take a leave from you people. Bye-bye. I will still be here and we will meet soon. Okay, kids. Bye. Prabhuji, over to you.
Thank you so much, Ujjwal Prabhu. You really made the day, as in like you were so nice with all the children and with full of energy, full of gusto. So nice. Thank you so much. Haribol, all the children, and I can see the lovely faces of all the children, and they're just awaiting for this quiz, Kahoot quiz. And just to I see there are few new faces, just to ensure everybody is on the same page. This Kahoot quiz needs to played with 2 smart devices. One smart device will be used to see the questions, and the other one would require to give your answers. So basically how it is, like on Kahoot, where I'll be on this share, I'll be sharing my screen where you'll able to see the questions, and on the other device you have to go on kahoot.it and give the pin which I'll be displaying right now, and that you need to enter, and you will be entering in the quiz where you can give the options, where you can select the right answers. So here the Kahoot quiz needs to be played. The whole idea about Kahoot is like you need to give the answers as fast as possible so that you get maximum marks. Okay, but there is no harm, even though if you are not able to get good grades. Most important is that we have to participate with full enthusiasm. All right, are you ready for the quiz? Can you show me the thumb, or can you just show me, put some comments on the chat box, please. Okay, thank you, Gopal, Naisha, Prathamesh, Gaurangi. Great, Srirang. Thank you so much. All right, let me share my screen and let's start. Just give me a minute. Let me know once you're able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
रामचंद्र रघुवीर रामचंद्र रणधीरा 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 लाख कमाले धन कोई चाहे लाख रहे परिवार अंत उसी का हो भला जिसका है नाम आधार कितना निर्मल कितना पावन मेरे प्रभु का नाम पानी में पत्थर भी तैरे लिखा हो जिस पे राम 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 रामचंद्र रघुवीरा रामचंद्र रणधीरा रामचंद्र रघुवीरा रामचंद्र रणधीरा रामचंद्र रघुवीरा रामचंद्र रणधीरा रामचंद्र रघुवीरा रामचंद्र रणधीरा
Seems Gopal Lila Prabhu has dropped the call. We'll just get him back to you.
Hari Bol. Our quiz master Gopal Leela Prabhu is going to join in the next 30 seconds. Please bear with us. Revise all your Ramayan questions and he will be soon with us. The pin is incorrect. Just let Gopal Leela Prabhu come and answer all your questions. Gopal Leela, are you with us?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, I'm back.
Okay. So
Sharing
there
the
are
screen.
questions, please.
Sorry for.
Yeah, the questions.
Yeah. Sorry for that net connection drop. Sharing again. Let me know once you're able to see my screen or show your thumb so that we can continue.
Yes, Prabhuji, I think we're good to go. We can start. Children are eagerly waiting for Kahoot.
Perfect. Okay. I see there are 70 of them. Can we start? I see there are 120 who are in Zoom, or we can wait for 1 minute and then we can start. By the time this song will also get over. All right, let's start. Starting with double points. Who was the king among the bears? Divida, Mahinda, Gandhamadhan, or Jambavan? Awesome. I can see that children are answering so fast, quickly. Great, or most of them, they have answered it correctly. Jambavan is the example of a leader creating a different leader where he inspired Hanuman. He reminded about his powers. If we have similar leaders in our society, we can create leaders and more leaders. Great. Let's move to the next question. And I see on the top, Srirang followed by Ashu, Riyansh, Krupa, and Bimla Devi. Great. Let's see who goes for the second question. Again, double points. Who was the youngest queen of Dashrath Maharaj? Sumitra, Kaushalya, Kaikai, Shanta. Okay, this was a bit tricky. It was Kaikai, who is the youngest queen of Dashrath Maharaj. And so Kaikai is the example where she loved so much Lord Ram, but only because of her only bad association with Manthara, she was not able to, her entire intelligence was lost. So ensure, children, whenever it comes to association, whenever it comes to friendship, select right friends which can elevate your consciousness. Moving to the next one, just one more thing, quickly on the chat box, anyone can tell me who is Shanta? Quickly on the chat box. Who is Shanta? Yes, it's Ram's sisters. Great. Daughter of Dashrath. Yes, daughter of Dashrath. And she was given to which king? So she was handed over to one king. Can anyone tell me the, yes, Krishna, you got it right. It is Rompad Maharaj, the king Rompad. He didn't had any son or a daughter, and that's why it was handed over to King Rompad. And great, thank you. Moving to the next question, I see Srirang still maintaining her position, his position, followed by Harshvardhan, KP, Bimla Devi, and Krupa. Third question, double points. Who was the family priest of Lord of Raghu dynasty? Vishwamitra, Sumantara, Vashishta, Ashtavakramuni. Yes, it is Vashishta who was the family priest. Quickly, if you can just share me on the chat box, who was Vishwamitra, Sumantra, and Ashtavakramuni? Quickly, probably one word. One word, one word. Sumantra is minister, Ashtavakra is the son of Sujata. Okay, great. Wonderful. Yes, Sumantra was a charioteer or a minister. Great, thank you. All right, moving to the next. I see KP coming on the top, followed by Hari Darshan, Krishna, Naman, and Bimla Devi. Double points. Who was the husband of Shanta? Vibhandak, King Rompad, King Rishishing, King Janak. Okay. So this was again a bit tricky. This was Rishi Shring, who is the husband of Shanta. His father was King Janak. Sorry, the King Janak is Mother Sita's father. King Rompad is the father of Shanta, whereas Vibhandak is the father of Rishi Shring. So Rishi Shring is a priest who was a person who did the yagya, and because of that, we got these four sons: Ram, Lakshman, Bharata, and Shatrugna. Oh, see, KP still leading, followed by Krishna, Karuna, Haridarshan, and Naman. Double points. What did Mantara first arouse in Kaikai? Anger towards Kaushalya, pride about her position, greed towards the kingdom, envy towards Kaushalya. Okay, again, I see there are various answers which was given, but actual answer is envy towards Kaushalya, because first of all, it was said that Lord Ram is going to become a king, but still it was she was still not taking that decision that he needs to be sent to exile. But when it came that when Manthara said that once Ram becomes the king, you would be the Kaushalya would be the favorite queen of Dashrath, and that envy arose against Kaushalya, and that was the first reason. That was the first thing which Manthara did with Kaikeyi. I see Gopal Chandra coming on fourth. Rest, all of them, they are maintaining their positions. Double points. What did Lord Ram did not allow Kaushalya to accompany him? Because she was old, because forest life was too difficult for her, because Lakshman was there with him, because she has to serve her husband. Okay, yes, this is the right answer. All of those, answers are correct in one sense, because she was old, forest life was difficult, Lakshman was there, but right answer is she has to serve her husband, and that's why Ram did not allow Kaushalya to accompany him. I see Bhanupriya coming from nowhere, and rest I see there are same people who are around KP Karuna, Gopal Chandra and Krishna. Moving to the next question, double points. What did Ram ask Sumantra to request Bharat? To accept the kingdom, to take care of all his mothers, to take care of King Dashrath, to treat all his mothers equally. So this was again a bit tricky one. The right answer is to treat all his mothers equally. Yeah, in one sense, to accept the kingdom that was already done, to take care of his mothers, to take care of Dashrath. But ideally, this was the right answer, to treat all his mothers equally, because Bharat had uh, uh, ill feeling about Mother Kaikeyi, and that's why this was personal instruction which was given by Ram to Sumantra to request Bharat that to treat all his mothers equally. Moving to the next one. Okay, I see KP is still leading, followed by Krishna, Karuna, Haridarshan, and Gopal Chandra. 8th question. Now, these are pretty simple questions. Who wrote Ramayana? Vyas, Valmiki, Bharadwaj Muni, or Vashishta? Yes, most of them they have given the right answer. It is Valmiki. Vyas Dev has written Srimad Bhagavatam, Puranas, Mahabharat, whereas Bharadwaj Muni was the father of Dronacharya. Vashishta was the family priest of Raghu dynasty. All of them, they are maintaining their positions. Moving to the next question. Who was the evil-minded servant of Kaikeyi? Pretty simple. Shurpanakha, Mandodari, Manthara, Suruchi. So Manthara is the correct answer. Manthara, there was some game which was played at early childhood between Lord Ram and other his brothers, and that time she got some hurt, or it was not actually hurt, probably the ball, it just came next to her, and then she made up her mind that I am going to give punishment to Lord Ram. And this was for 20 years. She kept that in her mind, in her heart. And after 20 years, after whatever 16, 20 years, she came back and she gave that poison to Kaikai, which led Ram to exile for 14 years. All of them, they're maintaining their positions. Last 7 questions. What were the 2 wishes of Kaikai? To send Bharat to exile and crown Ram, to send Ram to exile and crown Bharat, to send Ram to exile and crown Lakshman, to send Ram and Lakshman to exile and crown Bharat. Pretty simple. Yes, to send Ram to exile and crown Bharat. Great. Moving to the next question. Karuna coming on 2nd, followed by Gopal Chandra, Haridarshan, and Sanvi coming from nowhere at 5th position. Great going. On whose side was Ravana's brother Vibhishan in the war between Ram and Ravan? His army on Ram's side and himself on Ravana's side, no one's side, or Ram's side? Yes, he was on the Ram side. Vibhishan was the brother of Ravan. Ravan always considered Vibhishan as enemy, whereas Vibhishan always considered Ravan as his brother and always guided, always gave him right advice. But finally, he was thrown out, and Vibhishan joined Rama's army. Great. Moving to the next question. Krishna coming back on 5th position and Gopal moving to the 2nd position. Last 5 questions. Who set Lanka on fire? Hanuman, Sugriv, Angad, Sita. Pretty simple. So the way Hanuman leaped to Lanka and found Sita, Mother Sita. Similarly, Srila Prabhupada at his advanced age leaped to America and to find the individual souls who are interested in Krishna consciousness. And he set fire, Hanuman set fire, whereas Srila Prabhupada set fire of Krishna consciousness between all the individual souls who are interested in Krishna consciousness. Great to see all of them. They are maintaining still their positions. Last 4 questions. Who conveyed to Bharat about the forthcoming arrival of Ram? Sugriv, Lakshman, Hanuman, Angad. Okay, most of you have answered correctly. It was Lakshman. He misunderstood Bharat. Bharat is a personality who sacrificed much more than Lord Ram, and he did many tapasya in these 14 years. He went back to the kingdom, but still he was not staying in the kingdom. He used to stay little off distance in a hut and practicing lot of austerities the way Lord Ram did tapasya for 14 years. All of them still maintaining their positions. Moving to the next question. Last 3 questions. Whose daughter was Manvi? Kushadwaj, Janak, Vishwamitra, Mandodaris. Yes, it is Kushadwaj. Sita and Urmila were the sons, daughter of Janaks, and whereas Kushadwaj was Manvi and Shrutakirti, who got married um, to Bharat and Shatrughna. I see Haridarshan coming on second, followed by Gopal, Karuna, and Krishna. KP is still maintaining his position. Into how many khandas is the Ramayana divided? 5, 4, 6, or 7? Okay, yes, it is 7. You're right. It's with Balkand, Sundarkand, Ayodhya Kand, Kishkinda Kand, Yuddha Kand. Okay, and there are a couple of more. So these are the total 7 khandas in which Ramayana is divided. Okay, all of them, they're maintaining their positions. Last 2 questions. In which state of India is a bridge known as Ram Setu? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Great. Yes, it is Tamil Nadu. The Ram Setu is 80 miles wide, whereas 800 miles long. That is the width and length of Ram Setu. Okay, I see Krishna coming on number 4, while Karuna moving to number 5. Last questions. What was Kumbhakaran's first reaction when he heard about the abduction of Mother Sita? He was very happy, he was quiet, he was fearful, he was angry with Ravana. Yes, he was angry. There were many people who instructed Ravan not to do this act of abducting Mother Sita. It was Marich, it was his wife Mandodari, even brother Vibhishan, Kumbhakarna, but still he did that. All right, let's see the score. Let's see the podium. Who is on the top? Third, Haridarshan. A big clap to Haridarshan. Gopal Chandra. KP. KP, you need to reveal yourself. Who are you? And I see Krishna and let's see if you can give the feedback. Okay. Thank you for giving the feedback. And let's see the full report. All right, I can see KP and this, followed by Chaitanya, Ishwari, Sanvi, Prashu, Bhanupriya. They were quite close. See who else. I can see Urvi, Abir, Shwaswat, Vaidehi, Bhumi, Aditi, Pramesh. Congratulations to all of you, and congratulations to everyone who participated in this quiz. Thank you so much. And we have so over to you, Dayaluram Prabhu or Ujjwal Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji. Can you hear me?
Yes, thank
Yes.
you.
Okay.
Yes.
So can everybody have a big round of applause for Gopal Leela Prabhuji for organizing such an amazing Kahoot quiz? Yes, kids. Was it fun? Was it exciting? Did you like it? Did you like it, kids? Okay, tell me in the comments. Come on, yaar. I know the quiz was a little bit too much and there were so many questions and it was so exciting and everybody was so happy answering the questions and all. But come on, it's exciting now. It's Ram Navami and everybody has to be a little excited now. Yes? It was awesome, but I learned something. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, keep typing. I want to see everybody excited. Everybody has to be excited now. Perfect. Yes, great. So Prabhuji, thank you so much. Gopal Leela Prabhuji for such an amazing quiz. Thank you. So now we will end this session with some dance and some music. Everybody interested? Yes, kids? Some dance, some music. Come on. I know the quiz was tiring, but okay, don't say no. You have to say yes. Come on. Show me some enthusiasm. How was the program? How did you like it? Was it good? Did you like the videos? Did you like the puppet show? Did you like the stories? Did you like the dance? Was it nice? Did you like the Abhishek? Everybody enjoyed the Abhishek of Lord Ram? Okay, so now Lord Ram is with us now and he wants all the kids to dance now. Okay, so we will end this with a small dance and Kirtan. Yes?
Prabhuji, till
Yes.
the time you
I-
bring up uh, the the video and
Prabhuji.
the kirtan, we'll just do a small prayer for 1 minute.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So request everyone, all the children to hold their hand. And given that today is the Ram Navami, we will pray intensely to Lord Ram that this pandemic situation which is there, let's it get removed so that we can go back to our temples, we can go back and have the association of our friends. And even though if it doesn't go, finally it has to go somewhere or other, someday or other, probably if not within 6 months, within a year's time. But we should continue our devotional service, whatever little service which we are doing for Lord Ram, for Lord Krishna. We should continue doing whatever little bit of reading we are doing, little bit of chanting which we are doing. And the real thing which you can do as a student, as a children, you can study well, listen to your parents, and great. Thank you so much. And we can start the dancing kirtan now. Thank you.
Yes, Prabhuji. So I think somebody told in the comments that it is birthday. I think Arush. So Arush, wish you a very happy birthday. So you share your birthday with Lord Ram. How interesting is that? So Lord Ram has special mercy on you, I think. So happy birthday, Arush. And now we will finally close this with some dance and some kirtan performance. Yes, kids, show some excitement now. Finally, we are here. The quiz was nice. And now Lord Ram wants all of us to dance and to enjoy the kirtan with him.
राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम.
Come on, children, get up, everyone. I want everyone to dance. Everyone.
Everyone, please keep your videos on and let's do it. Let's do a dancing kirtan, everyone together.
Can we increase the volume, please?
राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम 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 जय राजा राम 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 जय सीता राम
Good going, Vaidehi, Rakshita. Great, Krishna, wonderful. Great going, Radha. Request everyone to please keep your videos on. And everyone, please dance together. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for the wonderful kirtan and wonderful performance. Over to you, Ujjwal Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. And yes, thank you so much to all you lovely kids for joining us today and for participating with us today and for having such an amazing audience. I'm very thankful to all of you children and I hope it was a nice program. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Did you enjoy it? Tell me in the comments if you liked it. Everybody in the comment section, blast the comment section. Tell me how it is. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you people liked it. I'm so happy you people enjoyed. Yes. So I want you all to remember whatever you learned today. So tell me any two things which you learned today, any two things which you liked, any two things which you learned about Lord Ram. What did you learn? Tell me in the comments. I'm so happy to see these comments. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm glad you people enjoyed it. And I'm really wish all of you people a very happy Ram Navami. And I wish you all a lot of happiness, a lot of success and immense satisfaction in whatever you people do ahead. And I want all of us to pray to Lord Ram that this situation improves, that this COVID is gone now forever, as Gopal Leela Prabhuji rightly said. And may all of us go back to our lives, go out, have fun, go to the temple, eat yummy prasadam, and also meet Lord Krishna and Lord Ram live in the temple and meet in the temple instead of this screen and Zoom call. Yes? Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank
everyone.
so
Thank you,
much.
Mataji. Over to you.
Thank you, Ujjwal Prabhu. That was amazing. So I'm sure all of y'all have enjoyed our Ramnami festival. So we look forward to seeing you for Bhagavad Gita today. So we start at 5 p.m. sharp. So please do log in the same ID. And now we're going to do something really wonderful. I'm going to unmute all of y'all, and I want to hear a loud Jai Shri Ram. All right. Okay, I'm also going to say a loud Hari Bol to Ujjwal Prabhu and Gopal Leela Prabhu for their lovely contributions. Everyone's ready? 1, 2, and 3. All right, that was really a loud roar of children. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Hari Bol, Jai Shri Ram.